Hi, my name is Quentin Koshin, and I'm the product manager for NI's 300 watt power instruments. Today, we're going to look at the ability to stack and gang these instruments in such a way that you can extend the power boundary and use them outside of their spec current and voltage ratings. Today, we're going to look at the PXI 4151 power supply, which is connected to the input of a buck converter, and the PXI 4051E load connected to the output of a buck converter. At the input, we're combining two 4151s in parallel, and at the output, we're combining two 4051s in parallel to extend the power, current, and voltage boundary. In InstrumentStudio, we offer measurement IP that allows you to look at common measurements such as efficiency and load regulation, both in a single instrument configuration and a stacked or gained configuration. I'm going to show a demo that shows efficiency and load regulation in a gained configuration for the buck converter that we're testing. Here we're able to set our DUT setup time, which gives the device some time to warm up, and we're able to programmatically set our source delay and aperture time, as well as specify our nominal output voltage. Quickly looking at the source config, we want to point InstrumentStudio to our resource names. We can see here that we are selecting two different power supplies in a parallel configuration. We're also specifying the voltage steps that we want to take at the input. We're going to do a 6 volt to 14 volt step and 5 points total. We're setting our voltage level range and our sense. If we take a look at our load config, we can see that we're specifying both of our E-loads in the system in a parallel configuration. In this case, we're specifying a current sweep from 1 amp to 50 amps, and we're doing a logarithmic sweep with 10 points per decade. We're setting the overall current level range for the system as a whole, not for the individual instrument in this case. And we're also specifying remote sense. Now I'm going to run the demo. We can see that within a matter of seconds, we're able to return multiple measurements and visualize our overall efficiency of this DC to DC converter. We're also able to collect information on our load regulation, both in a volts per amps and in a percentage format. With InstrumentStudio and our PMIC Measurement IP, we give you the ability to quickly take measurements and understand your DUT in a matter of minutes. Thanks for watching.